Solve the following equations simultaneously using the elimination method. Now if we look at 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and x take away y equals negative 10, let's call them 1 and 2, we can see that we have different number of x's. The first equation has 3x and the second just 1. And we have a different number of y's as well. The first equation having 4y and the second equation having just the 1y. So we're going to have to do something to get the same number of y's or the same number of x's. I'm going to go for the same number of y's though. So I'm going to take equation 2 and I'm going to multiply it by 4. And that means I have to multiply everything by 4. Just think about having something like 3 plus 2 equals 5. It's still true if I multiply everything by 4. But I have to make sure it's everything that gets multiplied by 4. So I'm going to get 4x's minus 4y's, and that's going to be equal to negative 40. And I'm going to call that equation 3. And then equation 1 I'll write down again here. And now I have the same number of y's. I've got 4y's. And if we look at the signs, one's a minus, one's a plus, those are different, so I'm going to add. So I'm going to do equation 3, and I'm going to add equation 1. So 4x add 3x gives me 7x. I know that adding the y's means the y's will disappear. They'll be eliminated. That was the whole point of what I did. Negative 40 add 12 is negative 28. Divide by 7 and I get that x is negative 4. I'm now going to substitute back to an original equation, and usually you'd go for one of these and not one of the ones you'd multiplied up. I'm going to substitute into 1. So if x is negative 4, I get 3 times negative 4. Add 4y is equal to 12. Negative 12 add 4y equals 12. Add 12 to both sides and I get 4y is 24. Divide by 4 and that gives me y is 6. Let's just check that that works in equation 2. So x is negative 4. And then if we took away 6, that is equal to negative 10. So it does work in the second equation there. So my final solution here is that x is equal to negative 4 and that y is equal to 6.